Welcome to Quadra Virtual Experience Center, your premium destination for harnessing the power of AI to streamline your daily tasks. In this video, we are diving deep into transformative capabilities of Quadra's Copilot Inventory Manager, a revolutionary tool designed to simplify inventory management using advanced AI technology with natural language inputs. At Quadra, we are at the forefront of cloud infrastructure solutions, empowering businesses to enhance their agility and intelligence. Our suite of intelligent AI solutions includes Quadra's Copilot Inventory Manager, Copilot Docs Center, and Quadra Supports. In this session, we will shine a spotlight on Quadra's Copilot Inventory Manager, specifically crafted to administer inventory, which is the process of storing and managing goods using Copilot extensibility, allowing you to enhance Copilot, tailored to the needs of your enterprise. This is Quadra's Copilot Inventory Manager interface. Picture this scenario where you have numerous products spanning various categories. Let's see how Quadra's Copilot Inventory Manager seamlessly facilitates goods management. All team members can effortlessly access item details by clicking on the Copilot Inventory Manager and quickly find what they need in the search bar. The team will have access to take action on modifications in quantity, price, availability, or any other update. Need to share inventory details with a colleague? You don't need to toggle between your chat and the app. Simply search the inventory in the search bar, for example, Bluetooth wireless earbuds, and all the relevant details would appear on the screen to share. What if you have received 500 new earbuds? Just click on Take Action and modify the quantity. And wait! The quantity updates aren't exclusive to you. They will be visible to everyone and will keep refreshing in real time based on any changes made by anyone. Hence, this app gives you a live data of the items. And the features don't stop here. You can access additional information like discounts and revenue generated just by clicking on the different tabs one beside the other. Now, let's get consolidated responses from the AI that is Copilot. I will phrase my query in simple natural language for Copilot. Do ensure the plugin is enabled in the Copilot tab for Quadra's Copilot Inventory Manager and ask, what is the total inventory valuation for all the products? Great! Copilot helps us obtain precise responses from this application. The AI would gather data from all the documents and give us the correct response. Let's try another query. I'm just testing this chatbot by asking a random question: which inventory has the maximum quantity? Perfect! We have got the correct response from this chatbot. Let's try another question: which inventory product made the highest sale? Great! We have got the correct response from Copilot. Microsoft offers seamless integration of Quadra's Copilot Inventory Manager with Microsoft Teams and eliminates the need of switching between multiple platforms. And the best part is its integration with Copilot, which helps you give your inputs in the chat box in simple natural language, and the tool uses AI at the backend to fetch results, automate tasks, and gain insights. So, this overall integration of Quadra's Copilot Inventory Manager with Microsoft Teams and its compatibility with Copilot makes our work simpler, increases productivity, streamlines workflows, and gives an enhanced user experience. This is a sample use case to illustrate the potential of M365 Copilot plugins. We can develop custom Copilot plugins to integrate your line of business systems or LOB systems with M365 Copilot. These extensions of AI will significantly enhance productivity across various organizational processes. If you are ready to unlock the full potential of Microsoft 365 Copilot to perfectly align with your organization's specific needs and intelligent work environment for your users, please do reach out to us.